Hello, hello. Happy Saturday afternoon it is now. Look at my cleaning hair. Holy crap. Hello, friends. I am popping on live here because today is a day that I am catching up on making some of my household product recipes and organizing my oils. I just got done making, well, I made a gallon, but what I'm going to talk to you about today is how to make a half gallon of totally easy, super budget friendly laundry detergent that is completely all natural and it works awesome. John has been singing praises for this stuff. He thinks it cleans better than the chemical toxin stuff that we were using before. So since I was whipping up a batch, I thought I would hop online here and show you live how I'm making it. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see my ingredients and my setup and what I'm using. Bear with me here. Okay, so here is how much laundry detergent you're going to end up with. I doubled the batch, so I've got two of them here. This is just a glass half-gallon milk bottle. Now, I bought mine on Amazon, but of course, after I bought it, John said, why don't you just buy a half-gallon of milk at the store and then reuse the bottle? So for those of you who have the opportunity to buy milk in the half-gallon glass bottles at the store, this would be a great way to reuse that glass bottle. And you should know that you are going to want to put this detergent in a glass bottle because we are using lemon oil in it and thieves, and the citrus oil can break down the plastics if you use a plastic bottle, and I don't want any toxins from the plastics getting into my laundry detergent. We're also using some of the Thieves household cleaner and the Thieves laundry soap. This came in my essential rewards order this month, so I got money back even for shopping. That's awesome. And then using some baking soda. I have mine in this jar because I get it at the local Amish store. And then I use super washing soda. Okay, I'm not going to make it step by step here because, as you can see, I already have two of them made. But here's the deal. I have this big 8-cup Pyrex mixing bowl, and all you have to do for a half gallon is mix in 2 tablespoons of the super washing soda, 2 tablespoons of the baking soda. Dump those in here, get some warm water covering it up, stir it around until these are completely dissolved. You definitely want these completely dissolved. Okay, then I added 1 tablespoon of the Thieves household cleaner and 2 tablespoons of the Thieves laundry soap. I next added 2 drops of lemon, 2 drops of Thieves. That all goes in this big dish, and then I filled the rest with water to the top and mix it all in. After it's all mixed in, I poured it here into my bottle, and as you can see, there's no separating. I had a problem with separating when I made the bar soap DIY laundry detergent. So there's no separating. It's wonderful and liquid and amazing. And I got this cool bottle cap for this other one. But yeah, so literally a tablespoon of this, 2 tablespoons of this is making a half a gallon of laundry detergent. So flip back around here. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Go make it now. It works amazing. It smells awesome. And thanks for catching me live. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. See you later.